14.6 Strlen function. Strlen function measures the length of a string. Length of the string means the actual number of characters in the string. Now, strlen function measures, that is, counts the number of characters in a string variable, string constant, and string literal also. Just I have to show the difference. Now, you declared a string like this, char name 10. Just you declared, and char name 1, name 2, Arjun, and here you see, here this is a string variable. That means by using percentage %s, you can read a string. Suppose you read Arun, and in this case you initialize with Arjun. So strlen function, strlen name 1. Already I told you, you need not write square brackets and all that. Just the name of the string is enough. Name 1 you give. In this, number of characters are Arun. There are 4. And the next one you see, if you give strlen name 2 you give, then you can, it returns 5. The number of characters are 5. And string literal also you can give. What is literal? Directly you give literal strlen Anand. You give, this is string literal, then it returns 5. Just you see, this is a string variable. Why we call it a variable? Any name you can read. So this is a string variable you can give. String constant, now already initialized with Arjun. So this you can give, and a string literal also you can give. It returns the number of characters. Number of characters, its the return type is int. So Arun is 4, Arjun is 5, Anand is also 5. So many occasions we want to know the length of a string. And one more thing you have to understand, that null character is not counted. Null character is for the purpose of system. System provides it in order to overcome its limitation. So in our view, in a human view, it is not a character. We never see that also. That's why that character is not counted. And by this is the syntax. You can understand that by using strlen function, you can get the length of a string variable, string constant, or a string literal also, the number of characters in the string. And by seeing this program, you can understand. And in order to use this library, already explained to you, string.h, this is the header file. By including this, inclusion of this header file is compulsory. And see this program, 14.4, page number 758. Here, name 1, 20, that is a string variable. Name 2, Amrita, this is the string literal. Name 3, multiple words also you can give. You need not limit to single word. Multiple words constant I have given, Pardhasarathi. And now we are reading name 1. Name 1, actually here one point you have to remember. And 13th, by using scanf, we cannot read blank space. So by using %s conversion specifier in scanf, what is the limitation? We can read single word names. single word text. Whenever you enter blank space, then internally it is terminated. So, because of this limitation, by using scanf, we cannot read multiple word string without blank space. We cannot create a multiple word string. So, in order to overcome that, we learnt a technique that is called circumflex. The circumflex text in fifth chapter we refer, and fifth chapter we have given, we discussed it, and I have given an example also. Now you see circumflex views. Because of that, multiple word name we can give. That means it can read, you can enable the scanf to read blank space also. We can overcome the limitation. Now, here you see strlen function you are using name 1, name 2, name 3. That means string variable, string constant with a single word, string constant with two words, and we have given string literal also directly in a strlen. 4 strlen functions are there. Now you can find that Arjun Rao. So because of the circumflex, we are unable to give multiple words. That's why I have given Arjun Rao. You can find out the number of characters. Characters means you should include blank space and any punctuation marks also. And name 2, that is Amrita, 8 characters. Parthasarathi, 14 characters, including blank space, and other one, all clear, including blank space, 9 characters. This is the functionality of the strlen. Very frequently we have to use strlen. That's why just understand. And next one more, a text we are entering. That is text size. We made as char text 101. This is the right way of giving size. Actually 101. Then people they can notice it. Why we have somebody has given 101? That means you can enter up to 100 characters. The last character is meant for null character. So one string variable you are creating, 12th line circumflex he created. So up to 100 characters you can enter a text. You enter a text, then we are printing the text. Actually this one, irrespective of the size of the string, by using percentage %s symbol, we can print it. That we did it through 14th line, and thereafter strlen text, don't use square brackets. Then strlen text, just name of the string we have given, and you see the output, page number 759. Here, great dreams make great men, and now the string you could print, and at the same time you are able to find the size of the string by using strlen, and you are printing it. This is the functionality of strlen function, and you understand that. And common mistake is string means you insert square brackets. You should not use square brackets here. You should simply use the name of the string. So that point you remember. And another common mistake is whenever you are reading a string variable, then you may enter multiple words. Here one problem, unnoticeable problem is there. What is unnoticeable problem? Suppose you are entering Ramakrishna Rao. Let us say percentages. By using percentages, we are reading this. Then when you are entering, it allows you to type everything. You can enter Ramakrishna Rao. But internally, up to here, whenever you enter a blank space, internally it is terminated. So that point you remember. So by this you are mistaken. You assume that it is reading everything, but no alarm. If you enter even 10 words also, you feel that it is taking, but it does not take. As soon as you enter blank character, it is terminated. So that's why always we use circumflex. That is always safe. So this point also you must remember.